Good morning, everybody. Bernie here, St. Lucie Metal Detecting Channel. Just giving a quick look here. Last night was had me awake a few times with the wind and tornado warnings. As you can see, our front of our street is sort of a little bit flooded. We're expecting a lot more. Wind is out of the, which way am I facing? Sunset. Wind is coming off the ocean right now. Can't see any rotation. But I think the worst we're going to have here is maybe 50 miles an hour to 70 mile an hour gusts is what they're saying, with a lot of tornadoes. When I went to sleep last night, there was about 19 tornado warnings before I fell asleep. And then probably 3 or 4 times last night I was woken up by wind and, just shaking, like windows shaking and stuff like that. But this is a look at the front. There's, palm trees are calm. There's just a slight breeze. I know Dennis, Southwest Florida, detecting, is live streaming all day, so go check out his live stream. He's right in the heart of it. He's right between Fort Myers and Cape Coral, so he's going to get the brunt of the storm over there, so keep him in your thoughts. I'm going to run through the house and go out the back. I haven't looked out back yet. As you can see, we got half of our shutters pulled down. Oh yeah, we must have. I've never seen the yard that full before. Look at that. Plants are over, so we had some wind. Got a small river growing back here. Yeah, this has never been that flooded before. Yeah, bucket's full, so that's a lot of rain. That wasn't full yesterday. Empty it out so we see how much we do get. Yeah, coconut tree is over. So it's only going to get a little bit worse. I'm going to pull some of the small stuff in the house. But I'll update. I got to get up on the roof and clean out the gutters. I noticed the water was just pouring off last night. Nothing's coming out of the gutters, so it's probably clogged with leaves from this tree. This is the only thing that worries me here, this tree coming down, smashing my new fence. That would stink. And that tree there, that always loses parts. Alright, so that's all I got for right now. I'll update as the day goes on. Well, hello guys. No video yesterday. Just the intro that I did. This is, we didn't get much of anything here. I mean, last night was Wednesday night, and it was the most wind we had, maybe 60 to 70 mile an hour. You see stupid little things that, plants that are knocked over. My neighbor's yard took a hit. A lot of this tree was in his yard, thank God, not in mine. But, just I'll have to go around and clean up. I mean, that wind must have been good, because that palm tree there, that coconut tree is pretty hard to move around. But just, little stupid stuff. That palm tree got torn off. Palm fronds down. But no damage to the house. Well, maybe a little bit. A little bit of soffit damage up here. You can see where it pulled out right there a little bit. I did hear a lot of wind last night. Woke me up a few times. But overall, nothing like the West Coast, and we didn't even have to use the generator. We never lost power. A couple of flickers here and there, but this tree always sheds. Any little wind it sheds. I'm gonna have to be out here most of the day cleaning up the yard, doing all the stupid stuff. My banana trees look pretty bent, so the wind must have been good. These all got to come out anyway. They don't produce bananas anymore. Mother-in-law's house back here. Oh, it looks like she lost some stuff. No, she didn't lose anything. That looked like some stuff was down there, but not. So anyway, haven't heard from Dennis over Southwest Florida treasure detecting. I know he was live streaming yesterday, and he tried coming back on 3 or 4 times, but he probably lost internet service. Devastation on that side. That's where I vacation every year, so we probably won't be going back there for a few years. So far what I've heard is it's really bad. All the homes were flooded. They had 18 feet of storm surge, so that puts houses underwater up to their roofs. So I'm sure all the rentals will have to be rebuilt. All the webcams are still down on that side, but people stayed. I don't know how they got through it because it looked really bad. Anyway, I think that's all I got for today. I did go into work this morning. I was told they were open, and I got there and nobody showed up, so I spent the day cleaning up. I'm going to take a little nap because I didn't sleep real well, and clean up this mess. All right, guys, have a great day. And oh, you know what? Kratos magnet is coming today. Should be here by late this evening. Maybe this weekend I'll hit some bridges with that. We'll talk to you soon. Good morning, everyone. Bernie here from St. Lucie Metal Detecting Channel. Watching these two guys this morning. Let me turn them down for a second. There we go. Just want to do a quick update. Yesterday I got the mail, and guess what came? Let's see. Let me turn some light on here. Maybe you could see better. There you go. That's right. The Kratos. The hell is it called? The Artemis 360 is here, and came with the rope, came with the carabiner, the magnet, which is stuck to the table now because I have a metal bar going across, so I got to rip that off. Got the Grandma Kelly sticker, Kratos poker chip, 3 Kratos stickers, a keychain, the Loctite, the grappling hook, some gloves, and a cool Kratos carrying bag. And that was back ordered. I had to wait a little bit to get it, but it's finally here, so I may be going out today to do some magnet fishing. But that's what I got right now. Just a quick reminder. Let's see. Let me go to my channel. Home. I am at 464 subscribers. Need another 36 for the 500 subscriber giveaway, which is going to include 4 books from Terry Shannon. 1 ounce, 999 silver. 2 ounce, is it 2 or 3? It's almost 2 ounces, 1.80 skull, shipwreck spike, Trump coin, silver cat ring. And I forget what this is. I think this is a halfpenny. It's a copper round halfpenny. There'll be some more stuff, but I'm not sure yet. Oh, we're going to do this pull tab. That'll be for final place. And a couple other things I'm kicking around over here in the pile of goodies. We'll see what we got to put in there. But yeah, that's coming up as soon as I reach 500, and it sticks for a week. You know how that goes, up and down. So we'll be doing that. So that's all I got for this Sunday. You guys have a great day, and we'll check you out later. Ernie here with the new Armistice 360 Kratos magnet. Just figured I'd come out here and give this thing a try. I think I need to tie it around my waist so I don't throw it away. So that's what I'll do right this second. I'm at a different boat dock than I normally go to. Hopefully this is better than the other ones, but we'll give it a toss and see. Not very far. Let's see what this one does. Didn't have much luck with the Brute. Maybe this one will be a little bit different. Drag this one around the edge here a little bit. See if it'll latch on to anything. So far, nada. A little further north of town than I normally go. Maybe we'll find something good here. I don't know. Looks like the water's back down. All of this was underwater the other day. Nothing again. Ah, little magnetic rock. All right. This magnet is a little bit heavier than the other one. I know what my problem is. Two brothers magnet fishing. It's hitting all these docks and they're cleaning them out. So that's why I ain't finding nothing, I think. But I don't know. There's some hidden places that I'm finding. Maybe they're just clean. I don't know. Very possible. Nope, not a damn thing. I'm gonna walk down this way a little bit. Let's see. Walk to the side. Oh. Bound to be something metal in here. That felt like something. I think I got the moving back and forth thing down. I'm not getting you guys dizzy. At least I hope I'm not. I will tell you this, the Kratos magnets come with a better rope than the Brute magnets. It's a little bit thicker. The other one almost hurts your hands when you're pulling it in. Oh, here we go. See what we got. We got a bottle cap, rusty old nasty one. Got a part of a fishing hook and some other little rocks things. Things are looking up. Alright guys, after a few more throws I got to a spot that I pulled this up. I got 3 bottle caps. 1, 2, 3. Piece of magnetic rock. Looks like a sinker. Part of a treble hook. A couple of 2 hooks and a lure. I'm going to move over. There's another piece of something here. It looks like a swivel. I'm going to move on to the next dock down because I hit this pretty much a lot of throws, and that last one was the best. So I'm going to move on to the next dock, and I'll turn you back on if I find something good there. I'm on the boat launch now. Just drop along the edge here and see if we hook into anything along the boat launch. Maybe there'll be some fun stuff here. I don't feel nothing so far. I'm just bobbing on the end all the way around. Maybe somebody has dropped a cell phone or keys or something like that. I'll just walk the whole edge, see what we come up with, and then I'll do some tosses. People are bound to lose stuff at the boat launch here. There's something, felt like something down there. Maybe not, maybe it was hooked up on a rock. Oh, there is something down there. And I'm hooked on it, and I can't get the magnet off. There we go. Whatever it is pretty damn heavy. I ain't gonna be pulling that off. Let's see what we got so far. Bunch of slag, and it looks like some type of clip. I need to put my glove on for this, so I ain't gonna get my fingers all full of muck, that's for sure. Pull these hooks out of my glove. Actually, let me put the glove on and then I'll pull the hooks off the magnet. Alright, get the hook off I found over there. Let me get this off. Yeah. That's a bunch of crap. A lot of metal chips. Yes, sir. There's junk down there for sure. Lots of junk. I'll tell you what, if I hook into something big, I'm going to have a hard time getting it up because this thing don't want to let go. I have to put all my weight against whatever was at that end there. All right. Let me pull this up and then we'll see what we got here. If nothing, we'll toss it out. A lot more slag. A lot more slag. All right, we'll post up in a minute. All right, this last throw, I got screwed, and looks like a pair of electrical pliers. Lots of slag in there, though. Lots of slag, nuts and bolts, stuff like that. There seems to be a better area than before, or the magnet is better than the magnet I had. hunk of copper wire. And more slag. Let's try a little bit out there. Well, this seems to be the best spot so far. Try to keep the camera still. There's a lot of heavy stuff out there that I'm latching onto, but it ain't coming up, that's for sure. I think that's the end of the dock is what it is, or the end of the ramp. The magnet keeps hanging over the edge of the ramp. Let's see what we got on this one. More slag, another nut or a bolt. Looks like a lag bolt. I wonder what all that slag is from. Look at that. Why would there be all that iron down there? I know why. There used to be a clubhouse here that burned down years ago. Maybe it's parts of the beams that were on that. Just try right in the middle here. Yeah, I can feel I'm pulling across concrete here. That's definitely the boat ramp. I believe the boat ramp ends at the end of the pilings. Yeah, a whole bunch of slag here. Let's take a walk on the other side here. Toss over there. But as you can see, I'm doing better than I've done before. So maybe it's the magnet, maybe it's the location. Like I said, I'm a little bit north of where I was all these other times I've gone fishing. Just bob along the edge and see what we come up with here. See if anything hits on. Surprised how deep it is on the end here. Probably about 10 feet. Seems like. I'll just walk around this whole dock. And see what comes out of here. Nothing around that one. Just like I said, a little bit of that slag. Do a couple of tosses off the end. All right. So I guess the further north I go, the better the finds will be. I'm a little bit closer to the hood here. Put it as that. So the waters are a little bit dirtier. We got something else. Let's see. Looks like part of a nail. Maybe I should bring the bucket so I don't have to keep walking back and forth. I wind up wearing my shoes off. Bring the bucket over a little bit closer. Give another toss here. Yeah, I definitely like this rope better than the green rope that came with the Brute. It's a little thicker. It's a little bit easier to spool up. Just a beautiful day out. Nice breeze. It's about 78 degrees. Looks like that hurricane we had cooled the weather off a little bit. Very little humidity. This feels a little heavier. Every time I say that, I have nothing. And I have nothing. Maybe it's just I'm getting tired. Well, the whole rope went out with it that time. There's some big stuff down there because I could feel it hitting things, unless they're rocks. But on that other dock there, I hooked onto something and I had to use all my body weight to pull it off. We're gonna do one more throw here. A lot more slag on that one. Let me clean the magnet off. Barnacle-y stuff. Yeah, I like the idea that this magnet picks it up on all sides, where the brute beast only picks it up on the bottom. All right, one more throw out here, see if we get anything. That seemed a little bit further out. If we don't get nothing here, I'm going to go across the way to the other dock. Yeah, nothing. Let's see if we hook up in anything over here. This is opposite of where I started, which is down on that dock down there. See if we pull anything in on the first pull. If not, I'll shut you off, and then when I find something, I will turn it back on. Seems like there's more rocks on this side. I'm working up a sweat. See what we're bringing up, if anything. What do we got? Bottle cap, another piece of iron. That's it. All right, I'll turn you back on if I find anything else. Okay, another good haul. What we got here? Let's say you got a fishing hook, a huge nail, some iron, screw, and a washer. Wait a minute, that didn't look like a washer. Let's see what that is. I don't know what that is. Let's see. Is it a washer? Or is it a metal ring? I don't know what that is. It looks like a worn out washer. So much luck for that. All right. Another pull across the front. Got that, got a couple of nails, a couple of hooks, I mean, some kind of nail, a piece of iron. On to the next one. All right, we're pulling this one. It feels like I got something on here. Let's see what we got. It's a little bit heavier. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh no, we got something. Oh, look at that. Either a bicycle? Oh no, that's a chainsaw blade. Ooh, that's on there good. Chainsaw blade. Yeah. Swivel. What else we got? Piece of iron. That's all mud. We got a fish hook, pretty new one, and another swivel. Pretty good. I think I'm gonna do one more toss. I'll do a little wrap up, and then we'll head back to the house. All right, guys. This is a little bit of a wrap up with the Kratos Armistice 360. A lot of slag, as you can see. I got a pair of electrician's pliers. I don't think they're cleanable, but I will try. So those I'll save. 7 bottle caps, piece of copper, which is good for scrap. Oh no, that's not even copper. That looks like brake line. A bolt. All of this here is slag with nuts and bolts in it, stuff like that. Not nuts and bolts, but just like screws. This, I don't know what it is. I guess that's a washer. Throw that away. Got a nut. Big nail. Safety clip. The weights I'm going to save. I got 3 weights. Got the chainsaw chain. Multiple hooks. Probably about 7 or 8. Some over there, some over there. I can't put the magnet too close because it sucks them right up on there. And then these lures I am going to keep. There's 2 of them. Throw them in my tackle box. So not a bad day for the new Kratos 360. I was talking to my son. He's 9. He's going to be 10 in March or April. I'm sorry. I'm going to give him the Brute, so I'm going to teach him magnet fishing. So he didn't want to come out today. He was busy with his friends and some games or something. And next time I come out, you'll get to meet him. So that's it for now. With the wrap up, I'm going to clean myself up here, clean off the magnet, clean out the bucket, and head home and get this video up. Talk to you guys later.